Alright, this is the second episode of EPIC verification and we'll learn how to get certified by the NotaryCam. So for that, you'll receive an email from the EPIC and you'll receive your EPIC identification number within this email. That's very important, and a clear direction how to complete your EPIC identification form to get certified by the NotaryCam. So read this direction very thoroughly. You'll have a very clear, straightforward direction. But anyway, we will do it together in this video. So for that, to get certified by the NotaryCam, you need to download your EPIC identification form, what we call an EIF, and you can find your EIF in My Identity document once you log into the EPIC Physician portal. So basically just log into your EPIC Physician portal, go to My Identity Documents tab, and you'll see your EIF there. So just download your EIF form, and that needs to be certified by the NotaryCam, and it's free of cost. Once they certify your EIF, they will send it electronically to the ECFMG for the verification. Alright, so let me show you how to do it. So I'm logged into the EPIC Physician portal. So once you are logged in, you can see there is a tab called My Identity Documents tab. So once you click on that, that's the place where you will able to find your EIF to download. And you might ask why EIF is important. You can also see there's a notification you do not have a valid EIF yet. So you must need your EIF to upload your credential and request the EPIC report. So that's why it's very important. So let's go to the My Identity Documents. You can see on the bottom of this page that there is a EPIC identification form. Just click on download. So your EIF looks something like this. This is my EIF form. So what I'll do is I'll just click on save, and I will download this form and save it for later to get certified by the NotaryCam. So that's the first step, to download EIF from your identity documents. So if you just go back to the email from ECFMG, there is a link for NotaryCam. So it's basically www.notarycam.com/ECFMG. So if you click on that link, you'll be taken to this page, and this is also the very important steps. So there are basically two types of form which NotaryCam will complete. There is a certification of 186 identification form, and next one is the EPIC identification form. We are interested in EPIC identification form. Just make sure you are clicking on the right link. So it's the link, it's very clearly written here, click here to complete your EPIC identification form. So this is the right one, this is the wrong one. So just click on EPIC form completion. So once you click on that, it will take you to the NotaryCam link. The first step is to establish an account with the NotaryCam. So just sign up for an NotaryCam account, verify your account, and once you verify your account, just sign in to the NotaryCam, and that's the first step we will do for the NotaryCam certification. Alright, so when you sign up, you'll get an email from the NotaryCam for the email verification or your account verifications. Click on that link. So once you click on that link, you'll be taken to the website with the confirmation of your account verification with NotaryCam for the registration, and basically you'll receive a password to which you will use for the NotaryCam website. But what I suggest is change your password, anything that you will remember. So I'll change my password here, and we will log into the NotaryCam account after doing that. So once we logged into the NotaryCam website, the very first step is to download the PDF of EIF, which we have already done. So if you have not done yet, just go to your ECFMG website, log into the physician portal, and in the My Documents tab, you will find your EIF form. Just download the PDF of EIF, and I'll just click on I have downloaded the PDF and I have created the color image of the passport. So we'll need the passport copy. So what I'll do here is just upload my EIF form, which I have downloaded earlier. So just I'll click on this and upload, and I'll be also uploading my passport, which should be a color image of my passport. So let me click here, upload my passport, and the third step is to enter my EPIC ID. So the EPIC ID will be in the email which you will get from the ECFMG. So after entering all these three things, just check box the last two options for the terms and condition and press continue, and it will upload your EIF and the password. So alright, the next step is the take check. So basically what this website is doing is trying to access your microphone and the camera for the NotaryCam certification meeting, because you'll be having a video call and audio video call for the NotaryCam certification, and they will certify that your documents are genuine. So basically just allow your microphone and camera to be accessed by this website. Let's do it together. Alright, so once we are done with the camera, audio check and the internet check, the next step is the ID verification. So basically, before we begin with the NotaryCam certification, they ask us to verify our identity. For that, we need to upload your identity documents. For me, I'll be uploading my passport, so you can choose the different options depending on your situation. So let's begin with the start ID verification. Just click on here. So once you click on that, it will brings you to the different page where you can upload your identity documents. You can select the different option by clicking the begin verifying. So once you click on that, so you can select your country of your ID documents. For me it's Nepal, so I'll just click on Nepal and select. So once I do that, there's two options, either driving license or the passport. I'll just upload my passport because I have one already ready, so I'll just upload my passport and continue. And once you do that, they will ask you, are you ready to join? You can either select yes, I'm ready to join, and wait for an email for the invitation, or you can simply schedule your meeting for the earliest date possible, or the whichever date suitable for you. So basically I'll just click on I'm ready because I want to do it right away. So I'll wait for my email for the invitation, and they will prepare a meeting and send an invitation mail. Just keep on checking your invitation mail, and they will be sending you a link with let's meet now. And yeah, you can just click on that link and you will have a meeting with the NotaryCam. Once you click on ready to join now, you'll receive an email ready to get started. Let's meet now, and we'll send you an email with the secured link for the meeting, and you'll receive an email just like a Zoom link. So just click on the email with the secured link they have sent. Once you click on that link, that will take you to the meeting, so with the notary. So click on that link and you'll have your meeting started. So before you start the meeting, you have to give a consent to e-signing. So basically they will sign your EPIC identification form, or EIF. So it's a little bit of fun chat with them, and once you have done that, you just need to sit back and wait. So they will send your EIF to the ECFMG, and you'll receive an email of EIF received and EIF accepted. Alright, you have done your EPIC EIF form certified by your NotaryCam. So this is the NotaryCam certification done. You can check the status from my identity documents in your EPIC physician portal. So this is it for this part of video. In the later video, I will discuss because your EIF is accepted, now only you'll be able to upload your primary medical qualification for the verification. So we will talk that in the next part of the video series.